right, please be seated.
After 3 weeks of a high-tension trial in this city in the north of the United States, the 12 jurors of various ethnic origins who had been deliberating since Monday concluded that the accused was guilty of the 3 charges against him.
State of Minnesota, County of Hennepin, District Court, 4th Judicial District. State of Minnesota Plaintiff versus Derek Michael Chauvin, Defendant. Verdict, Count 1. Court File Number 27, CR 20-12646. We, the jury, in the above entitled matter as to Count 1, unintentional second-degree murder while committing a felony, find the defendant guilty. This verdict agreed to this 20th day of April, 2021 at 1:44 p.m. Signed, Juror Foreperson, Juror Number 19.
Already dismissed from the police, the 45-year-old agent, filtering mask on his face, did not show any particular emotion at the wording of the verdict. Immediately handcuffed, he was taken into custody. Judge Peter Cahill will hand down his sentence in 8 weeks. Derek Chauvin faces 12.5 years in prison, but his sentence could be extended if the magistrate concludes that there are aggravating circumstances. Just before dying at the age of 46, George Floyd had repeatedly shouted, "I can't breathe," a complaint that has become a global slogan against racism and law enforcement abuses. In a speech, Joe Biden denounced the racism that taints the soul of America. The guilty verdict will not bring George back, but this decision may be the time for significant change, he added. The president had earlier phoned the family of George Floyd. The prosecution, which called several witnesses from the police, stressed that this trial was not that of the institution, but of an individual having betrayed his police oath. Derek Chauvin's lawyer, Eric Nelson, on the contrary, called on the jurors to take into account the context of an arrest which, according to him, had degenerated with a suspect of an imposing size who resisted 4 police officers wanting to control him. The guilty verdict brings relief to many American cities, and especially Black American Minneapolis, where tensions escalated.